Hi guys, so we're back with the video and we have to be very quiet because everybody else is sleeping right now. And it's dark and so we'll show you how dark it is. It's really dark right now. See? You can't even see that. But yeah. In my room, I have my beautiful
Hi, unicorn.
So we're in her room right now.
And guys, I am allowed to live, just saying.
Yeah, but we have to be asleep right now.
Not really, they're eating right now anyway. So yeah, tomorrow's Monday and our last day.
Let me balloon. Maybe next
Get
we'll
chopped.
go see
I'm gonna show you how to.
First, you're gonna need clear glue, something to mix with, and time. We put it in a water bottle because we had to
Split it in half.
split it in half.
Okay.
Okay, so first, if you guys are wondering why it's so empty and it's like not really that much, we used it and we made it at her house with white glue and clear glue. So if you guys go check that out right now.
It's right there.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Right there.
So first you want to pour your glue.
We didn't have a container, so we had to use this.
Well, you did, but we just didn't want to get caught.
Yeah.
my mommy. This is my mom.
So the glue's coming out. If y'all can see. Yep, y'all can see.
It's so annoying. Nobody even see.
Mhm. Okay, guys. So next, she's just gonna put 2 drops of this. Should we get some lotion? Come with me. Yeah. Close the door, Gordies.
And we're going to be putting it in this little cup.
Sorry, there's lotion on me.
Ow! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Don't move me because I don't want to drop it on my face.
Thanks for asking.
We think we're just gonna put like 2 drops. Oh, looks like slime already.
You're gonna sleep in here, Leslie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, it kind of looks like slime, and it kind of really does look clear, like really blue.
But blue is a pretty color.
Oh, it's really sticky. Like I don't feel it, but I can like. It's the texture on the skin.
Lena got drink it.
I think you need more.
Oh wait, we have to put it in the top first. Okay, look at. Oh god, overfilled it, guys. Overfilled it. Okay.
It's too much.
It's okay, just as long as we have some.
Look here, guys. It's not sticky on my hand because like it just has detergent.
Ooh.
Okay, Mama.
Proteins, mamas.
So nothing has really happened. It just did get a little sticky. But this is not really how I slime
Careful.
Cause the leave it right there.
Smile. Thank you, Cody, for holding it.
Here, mix some of this more tight in. Mix some
That's
more
me.
tight.
That's my hand.
Let me see.
That looks funny. Your turn.
Okay, let me see.
You like
Oh,
this?
we still have.
Look, Leslie, look.
Sorry for my little sister, guys.
Sorry, my mommy.
Go to that.
Sorry, my mommy. Like my mom.
And guys, tomorrow it's gonna be like.
Hi.
Leave it right here, okay? Guys, sorry for the little air right there, cause like we're right here by the fan.
Yeah,
Leave it.
but we're gonna edit it. Sorry,
Ooh, guys, look. Well, it's only like a little bit.
I want to hold it.
Hey, wait, go to that. Okay, so we turned it around. If y'all heard that. Okay, guys, it feels really good, but it's not clear. Well, it's clear, but like the good thing is that when we made the other slimes, like they had these little bubbles, and we left it out for a few days, and it's back to normal.
Yeah, guys. This is like something true. It's a fact. If you want to make like real clear slime, then you just and there's like a lot of bubbles that don't come out. Then you just leave it out for 2 days or 3, and then the bubbles will rise up, and then you will pop them, and then there's not gonna be no more, and it's just gonna be clear.
So guys, it's fine. So guys, we hope you really enjoy this video. If you want to know, how to make this video, subscribe, put your notification bell on, and leave a comment down below and saying that you want to make it. Guys, she was saying subscribe. Say subscribe. So guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to know how to make clear slime. Sorry if the camera's a little crooked. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for our Memorial Day video. Bye.